Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I'm a full-time content creator and I live in Pittsburgh with my fiance and Labradoodle. So if you guys missed my last video, I will link it for you guys, but it was a haul of my new clothing pieces for Arizona, and I wanted to quickly show you guys the other clothing that I'm bringing to Arizona. Most of it was thrifted, and also getting ready for my trip. And I have so I have a hanging plant, a golden pothos that I want to repot into a different pot that I think will look better, and then I'm going to use that pot for a different pothos plant, which I'm going to separate into two so I can get two more plants out of my one pothos plant, if that makes sense. I will just show you guys really quickly. Okay, so here's the plant I'm going to be switching into that pot back there and then hanging it back up with this macrame plant hanger, and then I'm going to divide that into the second pot. Okay, that looks so much better. I was really wanting to get this done before my trip, so I basically switched out these two pots. That one looks so much better up there. It's just like a better size, and I like the look of it a little bit more. And then the woven pot here, which is like a ceramic with a woven look, I just repotted this marble queen into. So basically I used my scissors to separate the roots so that I could get one in there and then the other one here. So originally that pot had the marble queen pothos in it, which was much more full, and now it's a little less full, about half the size of what it used to be. And then the other one is in my other pot, so I got two plants out of it. Okay, so here are all the pieces from my last haul video that I'm bringing to Arizona. If you guys missed that video, I will link it for you guys. And then I wanted to quickly show you guys what else I'm bringing on my Arizona trip. So we have a couple of dresses, a jumpsuit there in the back, a new purse, a couple of shoe options, comfortable shoe options, two high-waisted fun colored pants, a little white crop top, a new swimsuit. And then as far as other clothes I'm bringing, I have this thrifted macrame cover up, which I'm going to style with my swimsuit. I also have a couple of tops for whether I want to like mix and match, or a couple of tops for maybe going on a hike, maybe going and playing racquetball, something like that. This cute little boho purse, which should coordinate pretty well with everything as another purse option. These vintage white denim shorts were thrifted. This Madewell. That little macrame top was a thrift find from forever ago. I thrifted these tops at the Goodwill bins here in Pittsburgh. One of them is a little cropped tank top with these cute little buttons. That's an arrow top. This one is a Madewell kind of a flowy tank top, and then a hand-dyed cropped t-shirt here. I think just a Hanes t-shirt. For my jacket options, I have just two lighter jacket options, this Levi's denim jacket and this really fun leather crop jacket, which was a vintage find, and I think it would be really cute for Arizona, like out in the desert somewhere. I'm also bringing my linen pajama set, this fun little crochet hat in this really fun green color, and a neutral Western style hat. So I tried to pick out a lot of pieces that I could easily mix and match, a lot of flowy dresses, flowy tank tops and short sleeves, shorts. I do have those fun colored pants, which should be really cute in Arizona. I'm super excited about all those new pieces, and I'm so glad I'll finally be able to wear those thrifted pieces that I haven't been able to wear yet because it's still freezing here in Pittsburgh. I'm so glad all of my packages arrived on time actually, because I was starting to get worried that they might not arrive. My trip is tomorrow. They all arrived basically right on time. So I'm so glad about that, because I really wasn't sure 100% what I'd be wearing the entire trip, and I was really excited about those pieces I picked out. So I think my Arizona wardrobe is going to be so cute. So I have been doing research for a few weeks now, and I finally finalized our itinerary for Arizona. My parents live just outside of Phoenix, so we're going to be doing some exploring in Phoenix, which we haven't done before whenever I have visited them. We just haven't gotten a chance. So we're going to be doing lots of stuff in Phoenix, touristy things, checking out cute coffee shops, restaurants, stores. Sorry about that. We've had so much construction going on all week, and Indio just wants to bark like crazy at it. But anyway, we're also checking out Tucson, which I have always wanted to see. It seems like it'll just be like a cute Arizona town. So doing touristy things in there, and then also checking out what they have to offer as far as like their coffee boutiques, thrift, like that. I'm really excited to see my sister and my parents. I haven't seen them since Thanksgiving, so it should be a really fun trip. And I'm also going to be creating tons of travel content for my blog, theurbandarling.com, and for my other social media platforms. I have a lot to do still to finish getting ready. I need to. Okay, so all of my clothes fit here into the suitcase. I have my 2 bags here, my toiletries and makeup bag. Still have to pick my jewelry to pack in. This is the outfit that I'm planning on wearing on the flight. I'm gonna have to bring my hat as well, otherwise that will probably end up getting damaged, or I might just see if my dad has a similar style hat that I can just borrow instead. But I've got a comfy like leggings and crop top outfit with denim jacket and my new sneakers for the flight. I'm probably gonna have to leave this leather jacket unless I wear that on the flight and pack my denim jacket in here instead. So we'll see. And then I'm gonna use this bag here to put my probably one of my backup purses in, unless I can fit them both in there. Maybe even my makeup and skincare. We'll see. I've already got my wallet in there, some gum for the flight. My sunglasses are in there, and then just whatever else I'll throw in that bag. So I'll have my carry-on suitcase and my carry-on personal bag, and that's pretty much all I bring when I travel. I try to bring like pieces that I can easily mix and match and keep it pretty minimized into just one carry-on bag. Okay, so I'm almost done packing. I still have a couple more things I need to do to get ready. I need to like fix my nails, wash my hair, just kind of like getting ready, self-care type things. Need to like dermaplane my face, fix my eyebrows, that kind of thing. But at least I figured out everything that I'm bringing, everything I'm wearing, and I'm pretty much packed up. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I still have so much to do before I leave for my trip tomorrow, but I am super excited. I've really been needing a vacation, and I can't wait to share all of the travel content with you guys on my social media platforms. I am on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, the works, and also be sure to check out my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more content. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please be sure to share it with a friend or family member who you think would enjoy this channel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!